Does your car feel like it is shaking or losing power every time you try to accelerate on the highway? If you are experiencing engine misfires or a sudden drop in fuel efficiency, you might be facing a P2303 error code. This code means your powertrain control module has detected an unexpectedly low voltage condition in the primary control circuit of ignition coil B. This is a common issue for many vehicles from 1996 and newer, including brands like Ford and Chevrolet and Mini. The primary circuit is the part that supplies battery voltage to the ignition coil, and if that voltage is too low, the coil cannot create the high energy spark needed to fire the spark plug. Without that spark, the cylinder will not produce any power and your engine will start to stumble. This is a situation that needs immediate attention because driving with a misfire can damage your catalytic converter, which is a very expensive part to replace. One of the most common causes for this code is actually damaged wiring from wildlife like squirrels or mice chewing on the wires to stay warm. It could also be a blown fuse or a bad relay in the ignition system. To start your diagnosis, you should use a scanner to pull the codes and check for any technical service bulletins that might apply to your specific year and model. Do a thorough visual inspection of the wiring on top of the engine to look for any bite marks or burned spots. You will need a digital volt-ohm meter to test the voltage and ground at the ignition coil. If you find that the coil has power and ground but it is still not firing, you should test the ground pulse coming from the control module while the engine is running. If there is no pulse, the computer itself might be failing, or it might just need a software update. If you are not comfortable working with live electrical circuits on a running engine, this is definitely the point where you should take your car to a certified technician. Most of the time, a simple repair to the wiring or replacing a faulty ignition coil will get you back on the road with full power and better gas mileage.